Have you ever made a cocktail with a berry that you didn't even know existed? Well, I did today. We're going to be making the golden hour cocktail. We are going to start off with taking our 4 golden berries and plopping them right into our shaker tin. Then we are going to muddle carefully. Last time I muddled something round, it didn't go well. Ooh, it shot at me. These are super squishy, juicy. Rawr. Ooh, yep, I got a bunch of seeds shooting everywhere. All right, stay you. Okay, then we are going to add in 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and then 2 full ounces of your favorite brand of gin. All right. Then we are going to fill our shaker tin to the top with ice, shake for about 15 to 20 seconds or until it's ice cold in our hands. Okay. This is going to go into a coupe glass, so make sure you've got one of those ready. Ideally, it should be chilled. I ain't got a chiller. Huh? Baby coupe. Coupe, not poop. Baby coupe.
Baby coupe.
In case you're confused about what exactly it was that we were saying. Okay. So again, we did use fresh juice, so make sure you're using your Hawthorne strainer and your mesh strainer for this guy or girl. Yes, there are a lot of seeds in this particular fun little berry, so make sure you're prepared. Look at how pretty. Woohoo. Oh, see, look at that. I got weird berry juices coming out. All right. I can see that my assistant has grossly underestimated how well I shake.
Yep.
So this is going to get a splash of club soda.
A drip.
A dribble. A dribble. And then for our garnish, we have another golden berry. We're going to garnish that guy just like so and set that there. And then we're also going to stay, naughty thing. We're going to take a mint sprig, just kind of give it a couple little taps on the back of your hand to release those beautiful aromas. My golden berry is not cooperating. Et voila.
That's a pretty cute cocktail.
It is. In a little mini coupe. I'm terrified to pick it up.
Yeah.
And there we have it. Look at him shaking. There we have it. The golden hour cocktail. Okay. Well, now all I smell is mint. So, you know, pros and cons to mint. Okay, I'm going to hold this thing where it belongs. Ooh. This is going to sound really strange, but it's very like elderflowery, considering there's no elderflower in it. But it's got kind of like a light bit of tart to it from the golden berry itself. You do taste a little bit of the lime, but not overwhelming. And of course, I did use a more like modern New World style gin, so it's not super botanically either. So you definitely get a lot of that golden berry flavor, which is super unique. But yeah, in this cocktail, it's definitely giving a lot of like elderflower with no elderflower in it. But again, very light, very refreshing. This is definitely one I would sip on the patio for sure. I hope you guys enjoy this cocktail. Make sure you give it a try. You are going to probably have to hunt and peck for the golden berries because I didn't know they even existed. Not going to lie. And make sure they're in season according to the lovely gentleman that I spoke to. Anyway, it's a whole thing. Time for another topic. Anyway, so if you enjoy the cocktails, enjoy listening to me blabber on about weird berries that I've never even heard of, Make sure you like, comment, share the video, subscribe to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. So you're just enjoying my time. I'm not going to lie. So I hope to see you guys or hear from you guys until the next pour. Cheers.